Om Namah Shivaya, children. Good morning. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Children, you have already learned Indian place value system. Okay. Just let me revise these things about Indian place value system. In the Indian place value system, you have learned about periods and places. I'll just tell once again. Periods contains ones, thousands, lakhs. Places contains ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Okay? You are very clear about Indian place value system. Now, today you are going to learn about International place value system. So, I'll show you this. So, this is the International place value system. Okay? This is very new for you. So, Indian place value system, it is also known as Hindu-Arabic place value system. But here, this international place value system is used by most of the countries of the world. They use this system. It is a different system. It is also known as international place value system. So, let me explain about this system. It is also almost similar as a Indian place value system. So you can see here periods and places. In the periods contains ones, thousands, millions. Ones, thousands, millions. In the Indian place value system, instead of million, it was lakhs. Here it contains ones, thousands, millions. Okay, clear? Now places. In places, ones, periods contains ones, tens and hundreds. Ones period contains places, ones, tens and hundreds. Thousands periods contains thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. I'll tell once again, thousands, 10,000 and 100,000s. Thousands period contains thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Now millions. Millions period contains millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Again millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. So you are very clear about this international place value system. I will show you some examples. So now let us take one example. This is a international place value system. In the system, how to write the number. A given number we have to write in this international place value system. So let us take one example. Now let us take one example. So I'll write here one example. 6, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 0. This is a 7-digit number. This is a 7-digit number. You have to write this number in the international place value system. In the international place value system. So first we write this number in the international place value system. So for that we have to start from ones. We have to start from ones. So 0 comes in ones place. 0 comes in ones place. This 1 comes in tens place. 5 comes in hundredth place. 2 comes in thousands place. 3 comes in 10,000s place. 4 comes in 100,000s place. And 6 comes in millions place. So whenever you are writing the number in international place value system, you have to start from ones. Now the next thing is you have to put commas. So you have to mark the comma. So how you will mark the comma? After every 3 digit you have to mark comma. Here after every 3 digit, not only that, after every period. After every periods you have to mark the comma, like millions. After million you have to put comma. After thousands you have to put comma. Then ones comes. So we'll start. Here we have only 7-digit number. So we have to start from millions. Millions, 6 comes in millions period. 6 comes in millions period. So after 6 you put comma. Okay, ready? After 6 you have to, after 6 which comes in millions period, you have to put comma. Then comes 432 which comes in thousands period. 432 which comes in thousands period. So after this 3 digit you have to put comma. So now you got the number 6 comma 432 comma 510. This is a number. Now how you read this number? So as I put commas after 6 here, 432 comma 510. So see how I write this in words. So write in words. For that we read this 6 as 6 millions. 6 millions. So write here 6 millions. Is it clear? 6 million. Then 432 which comes in thousands. So you write like this only. 400 32 432,000 432,000. Then what comes next? 510 which comes in ones. So you have to direct write 510. 510. So how you read? 6,432,510. 6 million, as 6 in comes in millions period, 432 comes in thousands period. So write 432 and 510. Let us take one example. In this we have to write the number here with commas. We have to write here, and how we read that number we have to write here as in words or in words. So let me take one example. That is 3 4 0 5 7 3 and 1. It is a 7-digit number. As you have learned, 7-digit number. I am writing over here 7-digit number. So with commas you have to start here. Okay. With comma how you write? First start from ones place. Ones, tens, 100. After 3 digit you have to put comma. Then after ones, tens, 100, then thousands, 10,000, 100,000s. Then again you have to put comma. So we'll start after 3, after million, 3 which comes in millions place, put comma. 405 comes in thousands place. So after that put comma. Then 731 which comes in ones place. So we write like this. While reading also we have to read according to this only. How you put the commas. So we'll read like this. 3 comes in millions place. So we read as 3 millions. 405 which comes in thousands period. So we read as 405,000. Then 731. So see here how I am writing. 3 million 405,000. 3,405,000. 731. Clear? Okay. Now we'll take one more example. Next example, okay? So I'll take one number 1, 2, 5, 0, 6, 4, 2. This also we have to start from ones place. Ones, tens, hundred. You have to put here comma. So first I'll write here number so that I'll make you clear. 1, 2, 5, 0, 6, 4, 2. The same number I wrote here. Now we'll start from ones. Ones, tens, hundreds, which comes in ones period. So put here comma. Then ones, tens, hundred. Next comes thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Put over here comma. So clear now? After 3 digits you have to put comma. Again after 3 digits you have to put comma. So we read as 1. As 1 comes in millions period. So read as write the number in words. 1 million. Clear? 250. It is 250. 250. What is that? 250 comes in? Yes. 1000. 250. 1000. Then 642. 600. 42. 42. So this way you have to write the number names. Let us take one more example to make you clear. Okay, let us take one more example. So the number is 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0. So I'll write the same number over here to put the commas. So 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0. So what you have to do? You have to mark the commas. To mark the commas, first you have to arrange in period. How you arrange? Ones, tens, hundreds comes in ones period. So after this you have to put comma. Then thousands, 10,000. Till 10,000 it is the same as Indian place value system. So ones, tens, hundred put comma. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s you put commas. And then it comes in millions period. So you have to arrange this when you arrange this in the international place value system, you have to arrange in the same way as ones in ones period, ones, tens, hundred comes in ones period, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000 comes in thousands period, and 7 comes in millions period. Okay. So how you read? 7. See here 7 million. As 7 comes in millions period, 7 million 500 532 32. What is there? 532 comes in which period? Thousands period. So write here 1000. 532,000. Then 100. Right there 100. There is no other digits, so you write it only 100. 100. So how you read? 7,532,100. Okay. This way you have to write the number in words. But see, listen, you have to thorough with the number names, spellings, very clear while writing the international place value system. So you just practice a lot so that you will be clear with the international place value system. I will ask you questions in the next class. So write and practice in your rough book or in any notebook so that we will meet in the next class. Thank you.